much class children. So in the previous class we have started with chapter fractions, no, and we have completed 2 exercises also. Yes, and here additions and subtraction of the fractions we have finished just in the previous exercise. Yes, so now in this exercise we will do the fraction multiplication of the fractions. Yes, how much is the simplest form you can do? In the simplest form we have to do. Okay, so this exercise number 5.3 you have in your page number 185, 187. So open your page 187 and your classwork also. Yes, so the first bit you have here, it is multiply the fractions by the whole number. So here they have given one fraction and one whole number also they have given. Okay, so let us start with the problem. 4 by 5 into 20 they have given. So here the whole number they have given. So one side you are having fractions, other side you are having whole number. No? So you should not think that you don't have the fraction there. So if you not having if you are having a whole number, if you are having a whole number, you have to think that denominator you have of number 1. Yes, so if you have, so same like how you have in your numbers, before any number if you have 0 you will not consider. So here also same, if you don't have anything in the denominator place, if you are having a whole number, you have to think it as down denominator you have number 1. So number 1 if you have or not also, it will not be having that much difference to the number. Okay, so 4 by 5 you have to multiply with 20. So here this 4 by 5 and 20 you can first cancel it. First you can make it into simplest form and you can write the fraction, or then you can first you can multiply and you can write the fraction. So whichever way you want you can do. So first we will multiply 4 20s are 4 zeros are 0, 4 2s are 8. 8 by 5 ones are 5. Okay. So what is the simplest form you can make? You can change it into that form. So 5 ones are, so but these both numbers should come in one table only. Okay. So 80 by 5 the cancellation form you can do, or else you can divide it in the rough column also, you will get in the same way. Okay. I will show in the both the ways. See 5 ones are, see here 5 ones are 5 is over. So it is 8, no, from 8 5 is over, so you are left with 3. So 5 6 are 30. So how much you have here? You have here 16. So denominator 1 just now I said, no, denominator if you have 1 or not also, you will have the same number. Okay, so 80 by 50, no, so we will just divide it and we will check. So you can check it in the rough column also like division. So 5 and 5 you are having here, minus, so 3 8 minus 5 3, so drop 0, 5 6 are 30. Okay, so like this also you can do. So 16 you got it. Okay, so like this also you can do anyway. Cancellation form or in the division form also you can check. So see the second one. Second one is also in the same way, 2 by 4 into 8. Okay, so 2 by 4 into 8, just now I said, no, you can take denominator as 1, so you have to multiply with the numerator. 2 8s are 16 by 4 ones are 4, denominator 4. So you can, if you want you can cancel, if not you can do it, check it in the rough column. See 4 table 16 it will come. See 4 ones are 4, 4 4s are 16, means your answer will be 4. Okay, so like this you have to multiply and you have to cancel. So this is about your first bit. So do the other as homework. 5.3 bit 1. So next see the second bit. Find the product of the following fractions. So here is, this is also second bit is also same way. So here we are having whole number. So we thought the denominator as 1 and we have done with the calculation. But in the second bit what happened? They only have given a fraction. Means the denominator they only have given of different number. They have given both fractions. First you have to multiply with the fractions or you can cancel. Then you have to do it. Either way, any way you can do. So the first one you have 5 by 1 into 5 by 6. So this is the fraction you have. So if you want to cancel, directly you can cancel, but the opposite places only you can cancel. Or else you can multiply and you can cancel, you can divide. Okay, any way you can do. So if you do directly from the question, first you cancel and multiply, it will be easy for you. Okay, see here, you have 1 by 5 number, so 1 by 5 into 5 by 6. Okay, see 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5. See this 1 and 6 you cannot cancel, these are ones. So what you will get, see here 1 ones are 1, 1 6 are 6. Okay, so like this you can do. Second one also, 8 by 9 into 3 by 4. So just now I said no, any way you can do. First you can do cancel and then you can multiply, or else first you can multiply then you can cancel. Any way you can do. So with the first method we have done with the multiplication and cancelling. No? So second method we are doing first cancelling then multiplication. Any way you can do. Okay, see here opposite. These both the numbers will come in one table, 3 tables. So 3 ones are 3 threes are 9. If it is possible more, also you can cancel opposite numbers. Means not only opposite numbers, one numerator and one denominator only you should cancel. Not numerators same cannot be cancelled, denominators cannot be cancelled. How you will divide in the same sense, no? Denominator cannot be divided. Numerator also cannot be divided. Numerator and denominator you have to divide in any way. Okay, so numerator and denominator only you can cancel. See this both the numbers also will come in the table. See 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. See if it is possible more also you can do. If not you can directly multiply there only. See 2 ones are 2 by 3 ones are 3. That's all. If it is not possible till here only we got. Till you get the prime numbers you have to cancel. Okay, see it is not possible more, so whatever the numbers are left you have to multiply here and you have to write the final fraction. Okay, so here you got 2 by 3. Okay, the simplest form, how much the simplest form is possible, we have simplified in that case. Okay, so the other problems also in the same way, you have to just cancel it and multiply. Okay, so do the second bit also homework. See third bit is also in the same way, multiply. But here you are having mixed fractions. So first you have to make them into proper fraction or improper fraction. Then you have to do with the calculation. So the main fraction you have here, 2 4 by 5 into 5 by 6. So this is the fractions you have here. So first make them into normal fraction. See 5 2s are 10 plus 4 14. 14 by 5 into 5 by 6. So if it is possible here only you can cancel. See 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5. Yes, see these both numbers will come into 2 tables. See 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14. So in which place you are getting, that place you have to write here. Okay, see all our prime numbers you cannot cancel more. So 7 ones are 7, numerator should come in numerator place only. 1 3s are 3, denominator in the denominator place only. Okay, so like this you have to do. Okay, so see the second problem also in the same way. 3 by 5 into 7 1 by 7. 3 by 5 into 7 7s are 49 plus 1 50. 50 by 7. See 5 ones are 5, 5 10s are 50. Okay, 3 10s are 30 by 7. Okay, so like this you have to do. All are of same type. Sorry. Second bit and third bit also. See by this we have completed our 5.3 exercise. Yes. So in the next you have reciprocal of the fraction. So you have reciprocal of the fraction. So just now we have done fraction multiplication. In the next exercise you have reciprocal of the fraction. No? So we will do that. In that exercise we have only 2 bits. So we will complete the 2 bits also. Yes. So division fraction. So reciprocal of the fraction means reverse. Interchange of numerator and denominator. Okay. Reciprocal means what? Reciprocal means what? Interchange. Here you will have numerator and denominator, no? So whatever the denominator is there, it will go to numerator place. The numerator will come into denominator place. Okay? Reciprocal means changing the fraction from down to up, up to down. Okay? So exercise number 5.4. So the first bit you have here 1 by 8. So I said already 1 by 8. So reciprocal of this one, what you will get? 8 by 1. 8 by 1 means I said already how you have before number 0 we will not consider. If denominator 1 is there also we will not consider it. We will just take the as the whole number. Okay, so the second bit or second one is also in the same way. 4 by 11 is there, no? So reciprocal of this one, numerator will come to denominator place, denominator will come to numerator place. So 4 by 11 it will become 11 by 4. Okay, so like this ulta it will become. So in the second bit you see the other, see the C1 is there in mixed fraction, this also I will explain. 5 1 by 3. So first you have to change it into normal fraction. So 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 1 16. So 16 by 3. So reciprocal of this one you will get 16, 3 by 16. Okay, so this is about your first bit. Now see your second bit. So what you have in the second bit, write the correct number in the box to make each number statement true. So here they have given some missing numbers. So the answer also they have given. So all the answers they have given as 1. So if you cancel it also you should get your answers as 1 only. So to make the answer correct, so which number you will fill there, you have to write that number. Okay, see here they have what they have given, 7 by dash into 22 by 7. The answer should be 1. So I said already the opposite numbers we can cancel. So here 7 1 the 7 we can cancel. Yes. So here 22 is there means if opposite number, which number if it is there you can cancel them in the same place. It is 22 only. Yes. See 22 1 the 22. See all ones are there means you will get your answer as 1 only, no? So what you have to write in the box? It is 22. The same number. So already the answers will be there in your question only. From there you have to write. See your second bit again. So 25. Here you are having both blanks. So I said already if nothing is there in under a whole number you have to think it as 1. Okay. So here the opposite numerator and denominator should be of same numbers. See here it is there in numerator place. So here it should be in the denominator place. Here you are having number 1. Yes, in the denominator place. So in the numerator place you should have number 1. Yes. So if you cancel 25 on the 25 on the, all ones will be there. So again you will get your answer as 1. Okay. Now see the C1. C1 is little different. Dash and dash into 9 4 by 3 is equal to 1. First you have to decide what is the fraction you have here. See 3 9s are 27. 27 plus 4 31. So 31 by 3 you have. Yes. So here numerator 31 is there means here denominator should be 31. And here denominator 3 is there means in the numerator place you should have 3. So all if you cancel you will get 1. So here you will get 3 by 31. Okay. So like this you have to think and you have to calculate. So what you will get in the boxes here, 3 by 31. Okay. And D1 you have one more. D1 is same like your V1. So here denominator 1 is there, you have to think like that. So here numerator you will get 1. So here numerator 12, so here denominator 1. So here again obviously you will get your answer as 1. Okay. So by this we have completed our exercise 5.4 also. So in this 5.4 you are having in the first bit 2 problems as homework. Okay. So in exercise number 5.4 bit 1 you are having 2 as homework. Okay. So by this we have completed our 5.3 exercise and 5.4 exercise. So in the next exercise you are having division of a fraction by a whole number. Okay, division of whole number by a fraction. So both you have, so this both we will check in the next class, and the next exercise also we will do. Okay, so I will meet you in the next class with the new exercise. Okay, thank you.